before I go back up there, okay, the wire is going to come out of one of these knockouts, okay? So that little bit has to be off of the edge of the TJI, okay? So the TJI, the edge of the TJI, I want about there. From there over. So the mark I have up on the wall, up on the ceiling, is there. I've got to have some room to install the box and to have that much fit over the edge of the TJI. At least an inch, at least like an inch and a quarter, okay, or an inch and 3/8. Has to be out into the drywall, into the wide open cavity. And then the TJI is from there over. Does that make sense? Okay, so first and foremost, I'll get back up here. And you're not going to see exactly, you just look and imagine you can, what's going on here, okay? All right. I'm not going to zoom. I don't know exactly where to zoom it in and all that. And I know the center is going to be there. That was the 88.5. Okay, from the wall over, that's the center of the box. And then from there, that way, was going to be where the joist is. So theory has it, when I put this nail in, about here, I'm either going to be right on the edge or just off into the cavity, or I'm going to hit the joist. Okay? And I'm hitting the joist. Look at that. Because the joist should be coming fairly square off of your room. Okay? So now I'm going to come this way a little bit. I mean, I could go that way a little bit further and I should hit it. See? Okay, but I'm going to go this way because I want to know where the cavity is now. Between this TGI and the next TGI, this should all be open over here. And if I come this way a little bit, I should be close to not hitting anything. So far I'm hitting it and go at an angle and see there, I'm up into the drywall. So if I were to hit it right here, I'm right on the edge. Right on the edge, within 1/8 of an inch from where I thought in this entire room. And that's how I found it, okay? Okay, so now, let's just leave that nail in there for a minute. Well, if I go over this way, I should not hit anything. Okay? I'm just in the cavity. The cavity between the bay, there'll be nothing, and then 16 inches over, there's probably another floor joist, another floor joist, another floor joist. Usually a floor joist, you're going to go 16 inches on center rather than 2 foot on center, because you're holding up a whole other floor above this. So I'm making the assumption, I don't really care if it's 16 or 24, but just for kicks, if I go over, it should be right here, and that's where it is. Okay? So, is it all making sense to you a little bit so far? I hope so, because we're getting ready to do the next bit. And so I'll just take my nail and put it back up there where the edge was, which is just beyond that, was right there, okay? Okay, so it's right there is the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna, let's just put a mark. This is the edge. This is gonna be covered up. That mark's gonna be covered up. And I'm gonna put that, and I know where the center is. It's right where that mark is. It's gonna be right there. Okay? Just that gives me some reference points. Okay, now we're going to look at this this pancake box. Okay, I want you to take a look at this pancake box, and that's coming up right now. Oh, isn't that silly? Like, what happened to my Phillips screwdriver? Okay.